What are we doing today, Bernie?
Well, we're going to go out for a run through the gears in the 66 Ford Fairlane. Oh, I was going to show you, the cold light just went off. If you want to see the cold light, check out my cold start video. So 66 Ford Fairlane 289, 3-speed manual with, of course, overdrive. Very, very rare, highly sought after. One owner car. First guy bought it when he was 16, and he finally let it go after owning it for 53 years.
Wow.
So let's enough yakking and get out of first gear here. Nice smooth shifter. Gotta respect the stop sign here. Nice solid brakes. Push in the overdrive, and we'll engage that in a little bit here. Like right there, now it's an overdrive. Now we're going to slow down to under 30, and the overdrive will automatically drop out. Accelerate again. You hear a little click, about 30. It's back into overdrive, and if you want to kick it out like a passing gear, you do that. Now it's back into overdrive. Now back on the brakes. This car is a Fairlane 500, which gives you extra fancy trim inside and outside. Also has a remote mirror, a day-night mirror, 2-speed wipers with a washer. Side note, the washer doesn't work, or as commonly stated, I haven't tested it. Does the AC work? Well, I don't know. I haven't tested it. LOL. This also has a little feature under here. You have a extra light there, courtesy light. They manually engage that. It is oh, cupcake, you'll have to, oh, there it is. That comes on with the doors. That was an extra feature. And if Cupcake, if you'd open the glove box and demonstrate off to the right there, back in 1966, if you wanted a 4-way flasher,